stars in the game. Got no time to play, I'm drip. Who respect to my name?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Guys, and if you're new to this channel, make sure that you subscribe. And if you are a returning subscriber, hey boo, hey baby. Guys, ke farita gompieno bona. Ke farita ke la go tlhano. Oh wait. But anyway, guys, I just requested and my ride is 3 minutes away. So I am going to do deco for a client. I'm so excited. Guys, you know, lately, for those that don't know, I also do decos, okay? So if you're interested, let me know. Hit me up, okay? But yeah, I'm so excited, guys. This deco thing has been going very well. I think this month, like junior yotle, get client 5, if I'm not mistaken. Client king 5 or 4, if I'm not mistaken. 1, 2, yeah, 4, client 4, and I'm so grateful. But yeah, guys, I just need to get flowers. I need flowers. At least there today, it's not that complicated, but the client was very specific on what he wanted. Let me show you guys a picture of his inspiration. Where is it? Okay, let me just get into our chat. So he was very specific, so I'm really gonna give him almost close to that. So this is what he is going for or asked for. I don't know if you guys can see. Obviously it's not gonna be like this exactly, but I will literally try my best. I hope everything goes well. Oh my gosh, my driver is here. Should I tell him to enter? Oh my gosh, guys, I don't know what to do. Should I go out? Shit. Anyway, OOTD. Oh my gosh, guys, and it really cut payment. This is not a good idea. OOTD, guys, I'm wearing this 2-piece that I got from Mr. Price. It's just like a black 2-piece with my white Puma sneakers and hair belt from Shein, hair from Love Me Hair. I just tied it up in a bun, honestly. Yeah, guys, anyway. Oh my god. And he hasn't even... Guys, I am so stressed. He hasn't even responded. But let me just run. Everything is good. Yeah, we're heading to Pick and Pay, by the way. So let's go. Guys, I just checked Pick and Pay now. And no luck. No luck whatsoever. But yeah, I'm going to... What's this? Woolworths right now. I'm hoping I will find the flowers. If not, I'm panicking. But banal the flowers, okay, they just don't have roses because I'm looking for roses. So yeah, hoping for the best. Let's go. Okay. So the theme is pink. Oh, these ones are expensive, guys. $2.50. And these are pretty, but you. Guys, let me browse. Got the flowers. Hi, how are you? Good, yes.
Alright, and how are you today?
Good, thank you. How are you?
Like no complaints, man. Let me just check.
Hi guys, so I'm here and I had a very nice ride. Guys, I had a very nice ride. Like, it was my first time getting like a white guy as the driver, and it was so nice, and his car was so clean. I was like, but because you're gonna say I'm sorry guys, but if you know, you know, okay? But anyway guys, I wanted to show you guys this machine that I ordered 2 days back. So I got this from Socializing. So it's basically a machine that you use to like pump the balloon, and this is how it looks like. It's pink, love that. So it's written here electric balloon pump, and then these are like mouthpieces that you can easily remove and put back on, guys. And into a fun fact, so it has this thing here where you can just open, and there's a thing in here. Then what, plaka. This was 173, and then plus the collection fee, because I collected it. Collection fee, I think in 30 rand or 50 rand. Yeah. Also, why about charger for collection fee? I don't know. I just didn't know that, but actually charger for collection fee. Anyway, guys, let me get busy and ready, and you know, figure out this perfect deco for my client. Anyway, guys, I'm done. Lovely. We couldn't find like these type of, like this kind of color, so I told him about it though, and he was like, you know what, it's fine as long as it's pinky. And I was like, okay, cool, because I was really stressing, guys. You know, when a client is very specific, but when the client is very specific, I get stressed because you like, this person wants these things a certain way, right? So even though I'm picturing the rose petals, he just asked for pink rose petals, and yeah, I had 2 types of pinks, so I went for this light pink. But anyway, let me show you guys. Okay, I'm showing you guys. Okay, so this is how the deco looks like. Hi guys, welcome back to another day of the vlog, another day of the whatever, period. Guys, today is a Saturday. And me and my friend, we are going to Flag Her. It's actually a place, a very nice place. I think about 20 man. I get 2020 or 2019, somewhere there. That place was so nice, guys, and the food looks very good, so we are going there. So yeah, I just need to tidy up the house, guys. I really wanted to like tidy up the house with you guys, but sana I really don't have time, guys, because we have to hurry this up. It's not really much, just zagang, and then take a bath, and then yeah, guys, it's gonna be a lovely vlog. I really hope you're enjoying this vlog so far. I'm enjoying it, okay? I hope you're enjoying it. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. If you subscribe or should be this far, I shall subscribe. Some believe you can just pause and unsubscribe and then unpause and then continue watching. But yeah, guys, I will catch you guys just now. I'm so sorry. Long stress, and that's what you thought. Yeah, that's what I thought. I was like, sure. I love you. Like, thank you. I put it together. You're like, that's why I was like, I'm not gonna say anything. Yeah. And it's like
yeah.
did you see that? Because
Yeah. And then Nike gets us
that. Or like it's too slender. It's not like out. Oh no,
slender. You must teach me how to dress.
I will, baby. Charlie strata mina. Sa tate. It's already inside. How is it gonna work? I'm like, yo.
Like I was like, no. I didn't know. Like, I'm like, no. Don't
communicate with us. But if like we're silent thing, you're literally not attending us. That's when like I get mad. I'm like, true that.
I did not ending like
The situation.
fix me, dish.
The situation.
Good.
It looks very good, like very settled. Now I get a little body so that's really fast.
No, I'm gonna look tired.
Why? Yes, better.
Yeah, just like that.
Hold on.
Child, you see, that thing already.
Shoot it. On shoot it.
That's one.
Yo.
That's my problem. Like,
Utaur mo khafi. Ya ko morao. Guys, we're making choice. Just like this.
damn, relax.
No, shit, you're doing it wrong.
Okay, do it right. Let me see. Oh, the back of the spoon.
Ooh.
I love it.
But this is a lot. You put a lot.
Fine, we're gonna go like, whoop.
I mean,
Done.
ooh.
Go,
This is a
girl.
lot.
Alright. Come on, do it.
Cheers. Cheers, guys.
Oh, it's not.
Okay.
I don't know. You said this was big.
I clearly needed that.
Kelly, it wasn't as big as you thought.
I love these, yo.
Damn, girl, you finished it.
Okay, I'll take this one. I ruined it. But take this one. I ruined this one.
Let's go. Hi.
So, guys, as you guys saw, this thing is so harsh.
Yeah.
But anyway, sorry, it's the sun. We had shorts. We're currently on our way, and ish guys like the harsh, but yeah, we're currently on our way, and it's very late, guys, and it's my fault. It's my fault. But that's okay. The night is still young, honestly, right?
Yeah.
One thing about me and Tatu, we like to say yeah. Like you noticed that today, I was like, when we say yeah a lot, like yeah. And then I'm like yeah, you're like yeah. And then very did for like 2 seconds, like yeah. And then we talk again.
Kim Kardashian.
Kim Kardashian, literally. Bambora go batho go drive ba tshwere di phone ba. Go ba tsenga maphela rona mo dikotsing. Yeah guys, so we are currently going to Flacker. So exciting, so excited. Yeah guys, shaka tshwere le tripod, but we'll just try to Shamba, they're cute.
Yeah, they're cute.
So we're gonna get some food, guys. We haven't eaten the whole day. Like that short was my first meal. That short was my first meal of the day. And yeah, I've been here before. It's quite crazy.
Yeah, I know.
Anyway guys, we are in the boonders. In the middle of the boonders. But I love this. I told Tato today, I was like, let's do some Gussie. What? I was like, let's do Gussie. She's like, oh my gosh, she's so ghetto.
That is so mean.
I said no. I love Kasi.
But already.
Guys,
For me, there's a place where they sell namatlo.
Oh, there. Yeah,
it's so nice.
So yeah. Anyway, guys, subscribe.
Yeah, which way?
J'aime bien regarder ça au sofa. Hi guys, my friend just left now. Yo, what a time. I'm currently removing my makeup, but damn, what a time. Guys, I'm not in the bathroom ne, because I cannot lie, like Sareshile, and then we've been like so forgetful to like replace one. And also this light, how tlapa busiku, like you just open here, it just like eba better. So yeah guys, it was so fun. So guys, to remove my makeup, I just use Vaseline, honestly. To put a bit on my today. I did a very simple makeup, but it was really not bad. I liked it. My friend was so tired, guys. After we had that session, she just like fell asleep. And we got food. Let me show you. We got some pizza. We got pepperoni and barbecue chicken. So we divided. We got like the medium pepperoni and the small barbecue chicken because she was so hungry. So yeah, I just ordered us some food, and then literally she requested. And yeah, but otherwise today was so fun. Oh my god, today was so fun, guys. One thing about me, like I really enjoy like Kasi place more than like a modern place, because number one, they are cheap, because Banare, like, they don't have license for alcohol. However, we are allowed to bring our own drinks, né? So we got our drinks. Like from here, we added a stop, got ourselves some drinks, and then also got some material for Habli, because they said that they do have Habli, but they don't like have I rent this anyway. They just like 50 rand, and then you come with your own material. And I'm like, say less, you know. So one because like man, like we didn't really spend on alcohol like that, you know. Also, if you guys go out, like you're gonna spend on drinks, like because there was a special go Pick and Pay 12 for Savannah, it was like 190 something. So got picture like imagine if actually we went to a place and then we got 12 of whatever that we're drinking, it was gonna be so expensive, right? It was because 60 to 220 in like most places. So that's a bargain. We were gonna spend like for something. We were gonna spend 440 on the line just on drinks, not the food. And the food was like 350. It was a platter, as you guys saw. Oh wow, it was so delicious. It was so delicious. Let me wash my face. Okay, I'm done washing my face, but like if you like a mascara, I had to simple. But anyway, y'all, so I use this serum. GRWM. Love her loads. Love her down. Oh wow, this girl is carrying me. I'm one person, guys. I don't really like I don't really struggle with like my face and stuff, but I just love GRWM. But I don't know, man. I feel like like, oh, and also it feels so good. Like that radiant skin. Because guys, even though you don't have like bad skin or you're not struggling with your skin, doesn't mean the skincare. Because Sana, what do you mean? But now like I don't really use like hectic things like that. I used to use like the toner and stuff. I still have them. Let me show you guys actually. So this is the masala cleansing water, and then this is the, okay, it's the same thing, but this is the pomegranate one. So sometimes I do use it, but guys, I'm sure the body look, but not really, because I bought them this year. I don't think they expire fast there. But yeah, I used to be like so, you know, but then till I was like, you know what, I think my skin just needs like serum fela, and that's it. And then I use this pure coconut oil from Clicks. I don't know if maybe maybe from Discam, but any coconut oil, but I prefer the Clicks brand one. So yeah, it really does make me feel very underlying, and it's like lightweight, so high hectic. I don't use like any cream or anything like that. But hey, Sana. Guys, I have had these for like a very long time. I had these lines for a very long time, and I'm not sure how part of me wants to be on my natural hair girl era, but to be quite honest, guys, it's cold, and it's really helping me. I think maybe get on my natural era girl, maybe August, yeah, or September, just to like give my hair a break, because I'm literally always like on cornrows, literally. So yeah, guys, otherwise it was a beautiful day. I really enjoyed myself, and that's my skincare, period. Guys, banana clean eyeliner. I mean, mascara, it didn't really come off, but yeah, because I really put a lot today. I don't know why, but yeah, anyway guys, I will definitely catch you guys I think Monday. Tomorrow is the Sunday. I just want to rest and get what needs to get done. And yeah, I think tomorrow I'm just gonna rest, and then I'll see you guys Monday. To be quite honest, I don't want to eat now. Tata was the one that was hungry. Like, I'm not really hungry. I'm just gonna finish up drinking. I'll see this food in the morning, because I'm gonna need them. I'm gonna need that pizza in the morning. So I'm just gonna finish up the drinks. And she didn't even finish her glass. Now I have to finish it. Even langari kilitakhwa and stuff, and I'm not, because it's open. It's in a glass. If kichola, that's a waste. In cereals economy, it's hinyo. guys, welcome back to another day of the vlog, another day of the whatever period. So guys, today it's a Sunday. I know I said that I'm gonna see you guys on a Monday, but I love you so much. The separation anxiety, can't deal with that. So yeah, I woke up this morning and as you guys saw, read my Bible. One thing about me guys, I always read my Bible. It's not because today is Sonntag and then I'm like, oh my gosh, let me read my Bible. I literally read my Bible Monday to Sunday, alright, or Sunday to Sunday as they phrase it. But yeah, anyway guys, I just wanted to clean the fridge guys. Also I don't know if you guys saw, actually you did see since in the morning like I'm not happy about this. But yeah, so I just wanted to like clean this fridge with you guys. Let me actually show you. A few days back I decided to like clean Gamo. So yeah, as you guys can see, my fridge is quite empty. So today I clean up class. Clang clang. Cheers. One thing about this juice, one thing about her, oh yeah. I'm ready to spill like a bottle.